right, let me turn off this fan over here so it sounds better. Man, all right, so we decided we got about another 60 miles in and I'm getting a little bit tired, so we decided we're gonna do something new here. We're gonna try something new. We're gonna stay at a Cracker Barrel. We have never stayed at a Cracker Barrel before. We pulled in the back. They've got RV parking. This is absolutely amazing. We've heard urban legends about staying here before, and now we get to experience, so we're gonna stay at Cracker Barrel for the night. Make sure you check out part 1 of this video where we show you how we got here. We decided to leave the beauty of the Florida Keys because we'd spent over a year there and it was time for some new adventures. On our way, we ran into a treacherous rainstorm that almost sidelined our journey. RV's in the background in a puddle. Look at that puddle right there. And guess what we found in Alligator Alley? Oh my God, there's one right here. Guys, alligator! We met some new friends at a rest area with some really loud horns and drove late into the night, which led us to this video and this moment right here.
Huh?
What do you think about staying there?
We're gonna eat there in there.
What's up, woman?
All right, we made it.
What do you think?
This is our first time ever staying at a Cracker Barrel. I didn't know they had the RV spots back here. That's pretty cool.
Crazy. Can we please eat here? I'd rather this than Chick-fil-A. No,
All right, guys, we're gonna go check out some Cracker
Barrel.
Barrels.
Man, it's been years since we've been in a Cracker Barrel.
No.
All right, so this is like a Harvest Host in my eyes. They are so gracious to let you stay in their parking lot that you feel like you need to eat here and dine here and spend some money and say thank you. So do that. Support your fellow parking lot venue that lets you stay the night. Support them.
Come on. Good.
Thank you, ma'am. What?
Up to you. It's freezing already.
Montage of all the things in here.
A montage?
Daddy, roar. That's all angry at. This is kid heaven. We have to just like every time we get here.
Give me your nosies.
Picking one and we're getting it.
Give me your.
Or do you want to do it to you? Please. Time for your ear.
All right, so these moon pies right here, we were like, guys, there's moon pies. We remember that from when we were little kids. We gotta get them. And we get them, and we all go, 1, 2, 3, take a bite. And we took a bite, we were like, and so I'm like, why do we think they were so good when we were little? I have no idea. We were short on snacks or something.
Bottomless refills. Debbie,
This
guess
one.
what I'm getting?
This
Chicken
one.
and dumpling. This is the best thing I ever tasted. I'm getting like 10 refills.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, it's so sweet. We haven't eaten at Cracker Barrel very often. Only a few times, and it was a while ago. And when they came out with the amount of plates, I was like, what did we order? I totally forgot. Sounds like a legit amount of food.
This is a tribute to Elf. Ready? Our favorite movie ever, Elf.
Oh my God, guys.
Oh my God, that's disgusting. What are you doing?
I'm embarrassed to say that.
What?
They've been closed for like 40 minutes, and we were talking to the waiter, and the kids are looking in the store, and I'm like, wait, what time are we closed? She goes, oh, we've been closed for like 40 minutes. I'm like, we gotta go. We're 5:20 actually.
Oh, stop yawning, would you? We just wrapped up dinner. Had a great time in there. We met a waiter, and he was Russian. So I started talking to him I started talking about Russia and all this stuff, and
He had such a great outlook.
yeah, he blew my mind, you know. So wow.
So shout out to you, Vitaly,
Yeah,
if you're watching this.
Talk to people from different places because it's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go head back to the
All
RV.
right, we
and
got
we'll
a long
start
walk home.
this journey again in the morning. Let's see if I can do a cool transition here.
I got one cinnamon.
What's that? What do you have with
He hates passion fruit and he got it. I don't care.
It is Egghead 239999. So
That's cool.
definitely check me out on TikTok.
Yeah. As we're walking out of Cracker Barrel, another guy comes out the side door and he's like, what, you're on TikTok? So, you know what? Social media is so cool in the sense that it just brings so many people together because it's like this common thread, right?
Yeah.
And so, I don't know.
We meet a guy from Russia, a guy from Fort
Yeah, our
Myers,
waiter was from Russia who wants to get into this. As we're walking out, he must have told this
The
guy.
chef comes out.
It's just so cool.
Yeah,
It's fun.
Really cool. Good morning, sunshine. So we're getting up nice and early today. We're still in the Cracker Barrel parking lot, and there's an amazing symphony of birds over here playing their music for us this morning. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Been up for about an hour. Went and got some coffee already, and now we're getting ready to finish up the last 2 hours of our journey. So this is it, guys. Parking lot life in the morning. Beautiful birds, Cracker Barrel. One thing that I'm super anal about is my tire pressure, because if one of these tires goes, man, it's a disaster, like major disaster. And every morning when I walk out and look at the tires, they always look low, and then I check the tire pressure and they're good. But I wish I had some kind of little device that could help me monitor inside what the tires are, because it is scary not knowing what your tire pressure is. Last time we were in Miami, I came out in the morning to check before we went on a road trip. The tire was flat, so.
How did that happen? It doesn't even make any sense.
But tire maintenance is one of the most important things you can do when you're driving hundreds and hundreds of miles every single day. I do carry a compressor around with me just in case these tires aren't good, but I mean, look at this right here. I don't know if you can see it, but to me, it looks like this tire is flat. And it's at perfect tire pressure, which is weird. So there must be a lot of weight leaning over on this side of the RV. If you weren't able to check it, you would never know if this looks flat or if it's good to go. Hey, that rhymed. Car's good too, let's go.
All right, now forget everything that Jimmy just said, because this video is sponsored by Tire Minder, which is in this box right here.
And if you're not sure what Tire Minder is, it's a tire pressure monitoring system. They sent us this package. We're gonna open it up in a second, look at it. But look at all this trying something new, wonderful stuff that they put on there. This is the i10 setup, and we got this one because it comes with 10 transmitters. There's 6 for the RV and 4 for the tow vehicle. If you check out their website, they have options for 4 tires, 6 tires, or 10 tires. Another really cool feature that Tire Minder has is they have a battery replacement program where all you do is pay $5 for shipping and handling, and they send you batteries every year to replace them in your transmitters. All right, this right here is a transmitter. We have 6 of them because we have 6 tires. We're gonna screw it onto the valve stem right here. And what it does is transmits a signal to the inside where I have a monitor, and it's gonna monitor the tire pressure and the temperature of all 6 tires. What I love about this whole system to put on all 6 transmitters and hook it up to the monitor only took about 10 minutes. So a lot of people don't know this about me, but while I'm driving up here, I'm very stressed out, wondering what my tires are gonna be doing. We have precious cargo in the back, and I don't want anything to happen to the family if a tire blows out. But with this new system from Tire Minder, I have a peace of mind knowing that I will be alerted if something goes wrong. So if you don't have one of these systems, I highly recommend getting one. Now back to the video. All right, Cracker Barrel, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. The kids are still sleeping, and it is time to get out of here and get on the road. Let's go. Thank you again, Cracker Barrel. We had a great night. Cracker Barrel. All right, the GPS says that we have 133 miles and about 2 hours to go. I do not know how a little 6-hour trip turned into 2 days. But you know, when you got your house with you, it doesn't really matter. And that's what we love about traveling like this is you make your own rules. You can do whatever you want, take as much time as you want, and really don't have an agenda. So it's a different way of living, but it's a lot of fun. All right, so we just stopped for a little potty break out here in Florida. We're about 30 miles outside of Tampa, and we're getting ready to cross the Skyway Bridge, which is always fun, but a little bit of sketchy at the same time. I think back in the 80s, there was a huge storm, something happened, the center fell out, and I think there was 30 cars that drove off this bridge right here and crashed into the water and died.
42 years ago, the unthinkable happened. A freighter collided with the Sunshine Skyway Bridge, sending several cars into the bay. And this video from our archives right here, it shows the aftermath. 32 people died in the disaster.
So there's always this nervous feeling when you're going over the bridge. I know it's a new bridge and it's all fixed and everything like that, but here it is, the Skyway Bridge.
Is this it?
What's that?
Is this it? This is not it.
It's the visitor center.
There's a glorified bathroom.
I don't know. I thought it was something cool up here, but it's just vending machines and bathrooms. All right, we have vending machines in our RV and we have a bathroom in our RV. So if that's it, let's get back on the road.
Let's get out of here. I had too much sugar on those pancakes.
All right, we got about 45 minutes left till we get there. Our 6-hour journey has officially taken 2 days.
It always does, doesn't it?
But that's part of the fun of it, right?
Are we the only ones that it just takes a really long time?
I don't know. We've been to a lot of these guys, so we must be doing something right.
I don't know.
Let's get on the road.
Slow-mo.
Slow-mo. Ooh, I like that. Slow-mo. It's always a little sketchy because there's like a 600-foot drop off only 3 feet away from you. So, is it scary, guys? It's a little scary. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! All right, guys, we are here. I have no idea where to go. Looks really tight in here, but hey, let's do it anyway.
All right, so just checked in. Archie, like Archie Bunker, was very, very nice and hospitable and gave us our directions. We're spot 85.
All right, let's get to our spot.
All right, here's the directions.
I think I swallowed a gnat. No, see him. I didn't see him go in.
I'd say move over that way a tiny bit.
All right, honey, we're home.
Oh my God, what happened here?
Wait, let me turn this around. Sandy said we got robbed.
Oh my God. What happens when mommy's not in the RV? Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even understand what happened.
Somebody didn't do the dishes. Man, travel days are
we need
brutal on the RV.
A tow dolly so I can keep things in order in this RV.
So that's rough. Let's go outside and check out our spot here for a
Holy
second.
man.
Oh, it's hot. Muggy. At least there's no sun out, but it's muggy. All right, first impressions. Not bad. Not bad. Not good, but not bad. Could be better. Could be worse. At least we're home. We got a lot of room here. What more could you ask for?
All right, so of course we got to our spot and we had to go drive to the beach because that's why we picked this location. I go, you know what? We're leaving the Keys, but we need the beach because over in the Keys, it's, you know, it's water, but it's not necessarily like real beach. So we're here at Clearwater Beach. I think we're at Indian Rocks though right now. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. It's kind of cloudy, so whatever. But at least we won't get sunburned.
And there finally might be waves.
Really? She just stole my thing that I was.
You stole my intro.
Put this in. And there might actually finally be waves because in the Florida Keys, there ain't no waves.
Put my part in.
Put my part in.
Put my part in.
All right, so we just went from as far south as you could go in the United States. We went all the way across Florida. Now we're on the west coast of Florida, so we're on the total opposite side, about 300 miles away than we were when we started this journey. And look what we found, a beautiful white sandy beach with waves and a lot of people out here. I'm actually surprised at how many people are out here.
We finally found the waves that I was talking about.
What'd you say, baby?
Oh, it's a little chilly, but I'm not a good gauge of that because anything colder than like 85 degrees, I'm like, oh, it's cold.
I'm glad we finally found some sand and waves. I love the beach.
All right, guys, we just wrapped up a crazy journey from the southernmost point in the United States to the west coast of Florida. We went from beach to beach. We just can't get away from the ocean for some reason. But we're here now. We're definitely on a journey of trying something new for the summer. We're very excited to have everybody along for the adventure. Does anybody want to add anything into this crazy 2 days that we've had to go 250 miles?
No.
Everybody good?
We're good.
All right, whatever we do, guys, get out there and
Try something new.
Oh, look at the bird. His leg.
Oh, he's got a broken leg.
Oh, the little flamingo.